Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to set up OneDrive backup on this laptop. To start a backup, you're gonna have to be signed into your Microsoft account, so first open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then on Home page select Sign In. Next, provide your email address that is linked to your Microsoft account. Press enter. Then you can use your password or use a confirmation email in order to sign in. I'm gonna use the password. Just enter the password into the following field and press enter. Then enter the current Windows password and press yes. If you don't have any password for your Windows, you can just click next right away. Then create a PIN code for your account. Provide a new PIN code into the first field and confirm it in the following. Then wait a moment. Okay, and right now we can return to the home page, and right here in action advised, backup your PC, select continue. Otherwise, if you don't see this option, you will have PC backup right below here, and it's basically the same thing. Okay, and right now we have to wait until this PC is backed up. Once you enter the verification code, click verify, then wait for a moment, and at this point your PC is fully backed up. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.